Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the folder you want to lock and confirming your account has a strong password. This is required because Windows ties EFS to your user profile. Right-click the folder, select Properties, then Advanced. Check Encrypt Contents to secure data, and click OK. Once done, Windows will ask whether to apply changes to this folder only or to subfolders and files. Pick the option that matches your goal. Make sure to follow the prompts, so the file system marks the folder for encryption. Next, export your encryption certificate and private key so you can recover files if your account is unavailable. When prompted, choose to back up your encryption key. Follow the certificate export wizard and select to export the private key. Protect the PFX with a strong passphrase and save it to a secure USB or encrypted cloud. Once done, remove the key from any machine you don't control. Make sure to label and store copies in separate secure places for redundancy. Finally, verify the lock by signing out and attempting to open the folder from another Windows account. You should be blocked. If you need to recover access, sign into the original account and import the PFX backup through certificates, current user, right arrow personal right arrow import. If something goes wrong, make sure the certificate is installed in the correct store, check folder and TFS permissions, and confirm EFS is not disabled by group policy. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep at least.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.